want to head for the village. I'm at the south end of the village now. There he is. I got the pilot. He's on the other side of the road, final south building. The pilot's walking away from me and he's heading back up towards them. Oh! Yeah! A lot of people! Fuck, we lost the pilot. They might have him. They're all along that line. You see them? All around us. What? He said that way? I just seen him over there. I had eyes on him. They got to be ours. Nope, there's a bunch crossing right there. Right there, enemy. All crossed. 4 of them just crossed. Hey, we got to get off this fucking road.
You want to move forward or no?
I don't know.
Yeah, they're fighting right now.
Hang on, let's just see if these guys got the pilot. Look at, right there, right there.
Yeah, I saw him. I'm gonna hop right here. Rich, you guys just saw me this way.
Get ready.
They're coming at us. Heads up, the pilot is just back there. All that shouting, like you're screaming and stuff.
Okay. Come on. There he is.
Careful, right behind the front right.
There he is, right there. There's the pilot, straight ahead.
I know. We're getting shot at like fucking crazy.
From who? Is that enemy with him or our guys? God damn it. No, they're moving off to the south. Yeah, it's not our guys. We got to pursue, guys. Come on. Get to the road south of the village. Ethan, go to the road south of the village. They're going to try to cross the road. Medic, come on. All right, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're good. There's a bunch of them across the road, guys. There's the pilot. They're shooting at us.
Yeah, there's a lot of them. There's somebody dug down in there, too. This is such a horrible spot.
They have the pilot. Fuck. Enemy has the pilot. The enemy has the pilot. Down south. They're moving south. They're moving left to right along the south. There he is, right there.
Hey, go right. We gotta go way right. Way right. Let's push it. We got the pilot. Hey. Right.
All right. Listen for his screaming. I'm across the road. I'm over by the new fire base. They're saying he doubled back. Hey, listen for the pilot screaming, guys. He should be yelling help.
Hey, those white doors. There's one guy behind the white door.
All right, we've got them cut them off. They can't move past here or back towards their spawn without going past us. Push them this way. There's the pilot running by himself. See him? Be careful. Hey, you guys watch your six.
Pilot's down right here.
Is he hit?
Oh, yeah, he's go. Not by me, though. I'm moving up to the next cover.
Careful, there are two of them right there. Got two of them. These are hitting my bunk. Anybody's a medic. Ethan, I'm with the pilot now. I need you to hold that side. Come to us from the village. They're holding that line back there. Come up from behind him and take him out. I think we've cleared them.
You guys are literally going to have to bait them back in order to get me revived. I can't stand up for you guys because you guys, Orange already used the revive on me.
Okay.
So you guys will have to like set up an ambush for Yellow or something.
What's this way?
You got the pilot covered. Just keep Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
What's
You
the
guys
play?
stop. Okay.
We don't have. We have to have a yellow guy.
You have to have. Yeah.
They're all
They're all dead. You guys wiped them out. Like, good job. You wiped them out. It's just
Yeah, I know.
one of the yellow bastards shot me before he left.
Yeah, grab this guy right here. Hold it right there. You're dead. You're going to become a prisoner of war right now. Joel, can I revive this guy to revive the pilot?
Is he dead?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You are a POW. Sorry, I didn't mean to put my hands on you. I need you to revive the pilot for us.
Yep. Hey, we've got a hostage. Hey, we got a hostage this hole. Orange, we got intel.
Hang on, this guy's going to revive you.
You're using a yellow. Did you guys take a yellow player hostage?
Yes, we did.
That's awesome. Okay. We're gonna roll with this. Okay. You got security? Do we have enough security? Jesus. Revive him. I got you.
All right. Hey guys, spread out. Let's get a defensive perimeter set up. When we start moving, we're going to move straight, beeline back to our spawn.
I'm gonna say one thing.
Okay,
No.
I got it.
Yeah.
If I go down one more
Don't
time,
point it on Adam. We get the idea what's going on. He just
Okay.
doesn't need to point.
Let me ask you something. You were carrying a box. Do we need to retrieve the box?
the box must be retrieved. It
Where?
is currently located at the church. From the church, I have to go to the gas station.
All right.
We have a box we need to capture at the church.
Can we carry get the boys? I'm going to say let's go. You cannot carry the briefcase. I have to carry the briefcase.
Okay. All right. We need to go.
But here's the deal. Both of my revives have been used, so
Yep.
they can't shoot me anymore.
All
If
right.
they shoot me again, I'm fucked.
Guys, let's set up a skirmish line this way. We'll run the line.
Right there. Enemy right there. See him right there. He just went to ground. Hey, we're heading for the church, guys, and he's the only one who can handle the box.
I think we set a skirmish line where we
Can
go
you
this
let,
way,
Can you let Joel know
right?
what my main objective is? I have to get the box to the
and then we go
gas
this way.
station.
Okay. All right.
Hey, guys,
like-
push.
They
like
shoot
endgame.
him. They lost.
Come with me. We're going to go. We're going to move, guys. Stay right behind me, though. Over on this side.
Yes, sir.
About 11 minutes to complete those objectives, folks.
Ethan, we have to go to the church to retrieve the box, and then we got to move it from there to the gas station. Head for the church. We need to move that way. Is it safe? Come right over here. We're going to take a little bit of cover. I don't want you to get hit again.
I understand that.
Ethan, I need you 100 feet in front of me and let me know what's up there.
I do have to make noise in order for it to be fair.
I
have to be
understand.
annoying. Help! Please, somebody!
Oh, I see them.
Bastard orange just took me hostage!
There's two of them. One behind the tree and one to his left. God damn it.
Oh, I'm being moved now. Okay.
Hey, cover and fire. Hit him. You see him? I think he was behind hard cover, but... All right. Now we're coming up behind you on that far side of the village. All right, negative across the road. Guys, look in the yellow building across the road behind the pink. All right, the other side of the road is littered with enemy. Say again, littered with enemy. You guys be careful. Yellow building right in front of you. Right in front of you. There's two inside the building. Ethan, I'm right behind you.
Close right in the forest.
Hit it.
Hey, across the street. Close right in the forest on you. See that? Are you on our team now? Okay. Sorry, I didn't want to. Rich, watch out across the street. Right here. That's next one.
I got a medic.
Hey, he's on your row of buildings across the street from me.
Yo, medic. Yo, medic.
The fucking like rickety one that doesn't have full walls.
All right.
There's two there. One moves left of it. Hey, can you guys move up that right side?
No, I got a rather overly physical bang kill.
Ethan, they got him in the church. We need to hold him. He has to bring that gray case to the gas station. The game is over then. Here he comes. We're heading south. We're moving towards the gas station. The mission is to retrieve the gray case, which we have, and bring it to the gas station. Oh! Shots coming! Right flank! Yeah, I'm trapped! The gas station right here! To my right! To my right! Stay on the road! Stay on the road! Crossing!
Don't run in the open then. You don't want to get shot a lot.
Is that the game?
Yeah. Congratulations, you did it. Hell yeah.
Game over!
Yeah!
Good job, guys. Good job. Excellent job. Good job, huh?
Hey,